When my skin started looking a little tired, or my complexion started looking bad, or I started seeing fine lines, this is what I do. I use egg. After I crack the egg, I just use whatever left inside of the eggshell and put this on my entire face. And you can even go very close to the eyelids, pretty safe, and fine lines. And I love to use this on my nasolabial four lines, right here, okay, and even my nose, my forehead, and very gently, very gentle. You don't want to put too much pressure when you apply this. Okay, and that's it. Use it on a clean face. So the best time for me is in the morning when I started cooking breakfast or lunch boxes for my family. I just keep the eggshells and use it on my face before I take a shower or wash my face. Right, so leave this for 10 minutes, 20 minutes or so, and you just rinse it off with cold water. You'll be surprised how much your skin look better. Your skin is gonna love this. So the couple things I notice when I use this egg white on my face is 1, I see reduced fine lines. 2, under eye bags usually gone. And 3, nasolabial four lines disappear. Well, of course they'll come back, but it's just like having a natural facelift. And overall, face looks so much better. And when I introduced this one to face yoga method practitioners, some of them said they wanted to actually keep the egg white throughout the day because they saw the changes instantly. However, you gotta rinse this off. So there's a couple things you have to be careful. First, if you are allergic to egg, don't do this. And 2, when you put egg white, when it started kind of drying, it tightened up your skin. So you want to keep your facial expressions as neutral as possible. You don't want to move your face because it loses the benefits of the egg white. And 3, this is very important. You don't want to wash this egg white off using hot water or water temperature higher than your body temperature, or I should say face temperature. Why? Because you don't want to cook egg white on your skin or inside of your pores. So make sure you rinse off with cold water or colder than your face temperature so that your face is gonna feel so clean and very tight, and you're gonna love this. I wanna keep this all day long. Seriously, try this.